I mean, sometimes you're just made for that outfit. A couple of River City girls. What are you doing at a Comic-Con?
Just beating people up. What else do you do here?
I've bought a lot.
I'm just here to beat some ass, kick some ass, have some good time.
Stop it!
Riding low and flying high, we can reach the morning light. Come on, baby, you should take my hand. Roll the dice, you'll never lose. Come on, baby, you should take my hand.
So as far as unlikely duos go, but I'm guessing like old college buddies?
I've got it. I've got my eyes on him. I've got to protect our planet from villains like this.
You see, after the multiverse kind of did the little swippity swap, we decided to partner up for a while.
All right, guys, you have to behave. Professor.
What are you gonna do? Why is it always you three?
Hey, so my name's Carl. I am the husband of the artist here, Mally Jenks. This is all her wonderful art that she's constantly working on. She's a full-time graphic designer, but she loves illustration, so this is kind of her creative outlet. So she's got so much cool stuff. She does a few comic things, mostly video games, mostly anime. She spends a lot of time on this stuff. She mostly does it on Procreate and her iPad, and you should totally check her out at mallyjanks.com. Find her on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. And yeah, see you there. Thank you.
Hi.
Excuse me, I don't mean to interrupt, but I was looking for a Pikachu, and I kind of feel like you would be the ones to know where to find one. Any tips?
We gotta find an Ash. We gotta just look at
Gotta
the
steal
crowd.
some
We gotta
Pokemon.
We gotta get me out too. That's how we did it.
So many cutesy pillows. I wonder if there's anything perfect for Sega Head to cuddle with. Mr. Kruger, be careful. That stuff will keep you up at night.
I love dreaming though and having nightmares and giving you nightmares. So I'm not worried about it. So be here at Comic-Con or I'll see you in your dreams tonight.
Excuse me, I have both of you here. The power of flight is often a mystery, but I feel like we have a clue at last with the Red Bull. Is that accurate? Is that the whole mystery?
Yes.
Absolutely accurate.
It is.
I knew it. The sign says pun enthusiast, so I'm just throwing you on blast. Give us your best pun.
I'm a con artist and I'm kind of sketchy.
Didn't even miss a beat. I think I've seen your future.
Climbing up, wait for me, getting there, trusting me, letting go, feel the sound, giving up, I'm falling down.
Excuse me, Ash? Ash? Ash, excuse me. Yes, could you sum up this convention, like, maybe one word?
Big. Oh, also groovy. I missed my cue.
I am Nate, and this is Gary of Clever Kaiju. We're an artist community and design studio on Facebook, Instagram, on YouTube, and you can also find our community on Discord if you're an artist that's up and coming or an experienced artist that want to help influence and help teach others. We also do a pen click. It's a series on our YouTube channel where we
Season 3, man.
we gather artists from all around to draw weird and funny and actually really engaging prompts and showcase them at the last Thursday of every month. My favorite prompt was Ninja Turtles as Mardi Gras. I saw so many different art styles from artists that I would have been able to pick out normally in a crowd that did completely different styles, completely different color sets that I had never seen them use before.
If you go watch the first season and then go to the third season, like, you'll see improvements in each artist, and then just because they experiment, they try different things with like color and like their anatomy, and like even Nate, who's like the vector guy, he's like, I'm gonna try some painting, and I was like, oh my god, he's gonna try some painting.
This month I'm changing it up a bit this month too.
Yeah, I'm excited about that. But make sure you join us, join the group, join us on Discord, come talk to us. That's what we're there for.
Yeah.
So excuse me, I don't know what this comic vendor did, but obviously he is in a ton of legal trouble. Is there any kind of statement that you can give ahead of time?
Yes, we are doing what we can.
Yes.
I am working with other lawyers. I don't know.
We're on it.
We're on the case.
Hi guys, my name is Aranza. I am co-founder of Springfield Cosplay. Springfield's a local nonprofit cosplay organization. We welcome cosplayers of all skill levels, all ages. We host free events for cosplayers throughout the Ozarks and Springfield community to come be in cosplay, meet other cosplayers, and hone your craft. Make sure to follow us at Springfield Cosplay on Facebook and Instagram, and we hope to see you at one of our events soon.
So, quick question. The whole Loki TVA thing, that's nothing to worry about, right? We're good, right?
Oh no, of course not. We should be fine.
I should be fine.
He should be fine.
Thanks, Dad. You're welcome. I got you.
I just wanted to say it's nice to see a little bit of class at a Comic-Con.
Oh, thank you.
Shouldn't you guys be trying to capture him?
Oh,
This-
dude, yeah.
oh, crap,
Yeah,
guys.
Who's this guy?
Jeez, it kicks off.
No, get away from that guy. So Saturday then? We're out there Saturday? Yeah.
I'm surprised to see you with some of these people. Excuse me, Isabel. Isabel, yes. Are there any exciting new city ordinances that you can share with us?
No comment. Sorry.
Nice.
And I get him to swap our places. We're running up the road, we're running up the hill, we're running up the building. Safe only
All right, back then, come on.